going to give you a little project to work on. I'm always worried about storage at a horse show, and I was trying to think of a way to reuse some of the stuff you find in your barn to help with storage at horse shows, and I came up with a little idea. So I'm going to show you how to put it together, and I'm going to show you the DIY budget version and also a fancier option if you would like that. So let's get started. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you might have a couple of crates stored up because a lot of barns are the same and you collect stuff. And crates seem to be a pretty popular item in barns. So I'm going to take these crates and I'm going to wash them off and clean them up. I also have a big pile of wood that I use for projects and stuff. And I noticed this little square piece in here. Actually, also the other thing that would work if you don't have any extra wood like this is a curtain rod or a piece of narrow PVC. Pretty much anything will do. There are actually a couple of options here. The budget equestrian can also use old tools. Now, everybody's probably going to have an old tool in the barn that maybe broke off, like an old pitchfork or something. In fact, I see one here. This is very useful. I can actually do something with this. I also have 2 over-the-door hooks. Most every barn owner is going to have some sort of hook that goes over the top of a fence board or stall door that they take on the road. Maybe they're in your pile of junk. I'm just going to use 2 of them, and you can actually get those at the dollar store too for $1 if you want. Okay. You're also going to need 2 zip ties. Probably heavy duty if you have them. You're going to cut these down, but grab a couple zip ties from your zip tie collection. Every farm owner should have zip ties. Okay, so I've washed up my crates. Now I'm going to attach them using my zip tie. So I'm just going to stack them on top of each other, and I'm going to zip tie 2 crates at a time together. Okay, so as you can see, I have my crates. Now I stacked 2 on top of each other and I zip tied together and put them on the fence line. We're going to use that as a demo for right now, but you can use this over a wall of a stall if you have a grooming stall, or any area that you can find some space and you need a little extra storage. For the top crate, what I did was I took an old car mat, which actually wasn't used, so it's still very clean. You can pick these up at the Dollar Tree for $1 if you prefer. I cut it up so it's the size of the crate. Put a little sticky back Velcro on the bottom of the crate so it would stick and this wouldn't blow away. So I'm just going to put that in there. And now I can be fairly sure that nothing's going to fall through from the top crate to the bottom crate. I'm going to take my dowel, which was an old pitchfork that broke and I still had the handle. I'm going to put it in the top holes of the top crate and put these little clamps on so they don't slide out of the crates. So for my hanging rod, I can put my show clothes for the day on the hanging rod, and everything's off of the ground, it's out of the way. I can put my boots and my helmet up here. So if you have a lot of kids in your barn and you're worried about their stuff getting in the way, this is such an easy hack. It costs almost nothing. The few items you need, like the hooks or the clamps or what else? The car mats you can pick up at the Dollar Tree or for $1 a piece, and crates you should be able to find pretty much anywhere. That I would think every barn owner will have 1 or 2 of, And if you wanted to do freestanding, just make sure the bottom part, it has like a cinder block or a rock in it so it doesn't tip over. You can put this inside of the trailer if you're worried about weather. You don't want anything to get wet. And you could also put it up over the grooming stall if you have a lot of kids and you don't want their stuff in the aisleway at a horse show. Just hang this up in the grooming stall. You can have multiple ones all the way down for each kid. And maybe each kid has one cubby, who knows? You can be creative with this. If you wanted to paint any of the crates in your barn colors, you can feel free to do that. Maybe a little spray paint goes a long way, so, you know, if you have green and tan, then do green and tan for your crates. You can also do a much fancier version of this by using wooden crates, and I might actually do that myself. The wooden crates, you stack the same. You drill a little hole in the side, put your dowel in, you stain the wooden crates, and you have a very fancy version of the same hack. So decide what you want. You can have the kids put this together in about 10 minutes flat, and easy peasy, stuff is off the ground. And again, you can put this anywhere, at a show, on the trailer, wherever you have room. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I don't know why I'm supposed to say that, but I am supposed to say subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas or if you think this is really cool, send me a DM. I'll figure out a way to open those messages. Have a good day. Be really healthy. Stay strong. Be creative. Happy riding. Till next time.